In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with KakaoTalk. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the KakaoTalk app on your mobile device. And now in order to create an account, just simply open her up and then it'll say welcome to KakaoTalk. It will say email, phone number and password. But what we need to do is click on sign up. So go ahead and click on the sign up button. And now we need to read the terms of service. So have a read of that and then agree to it by checking it. Now scroll down and then click agree and continue. And then it'll say allow access to your phone numbers to autofill phone numbers and then click OK. And then it'll say allow KakaoTalk to make and manage phone calls. Click allow. And then after that, you're going to put in your phone number, or should automatically grab your phone number. And then it will say we need to put in this verification code. So copy this code and then go back to KakaoTalk to verify your phone number. What I suggest doing, because depending what device you is, just go ahead and click on copy text and then paste it in notes. I'm in notes, so I'm just going to paste that here so then we can simply copy in this code here. It's a bit hard to do it on my phone, so I want to copy that code. Now I'm going to go back to KakaoTalk to verify my number. Alright, then once you've done that, it'll say create new Kakao account. So your phone number is going to be there. Now put in create a password and then click OK. And then make sure your passwords match. So I'm going to have to quickly redo that. Alright, then from here we need to give yourself a nickname, and these two are optional, your date of birth and gender. So I'm just going to give myself a nickname, which is Tutorial Wiz. Date of birth, I'm going to just do a random one. Gender, male, and then also you can sync contacts here as well. I'm not going to sync it. And then also you can add a profile picture. So to add a profile picture, simply click on the image. Now you can choose from gallery or default image. I'm going to go in and click on choose from gallery. Then it'll say allow KakaoTalk to access photos and videos on this device. I'm going to allow all. All right, from here I'm going to add in a image. So I'm just going to choose this one here. Click OK, and then I'm going to click OK. Now this is going to go ahead and create my account. Now we need to add an email as well, so I'm going to put in my email address. Then it'll say collection and use of personal information. You can check that, and then it will say send verification email again. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now we need to go to my email address and get the verification code. But what I've done, I've actually made a mistake. I didn't put in the right email address, so I need to redo this step. Right, so once you've done that, you're going to be taken to the inside KakaoTalk, and you'll say your name up here, your profile. You can look around, click on more. Now inside your profile, you can check your mail, calendar, talk drive, themes, open chat, account, and all that stuff.